Hello everyone. In this particular video, I'm going to talk about a very special class announcement, a free special class announcement for LOSET 2021 aspirants. This particular week, from 1st of July to 12th of July, we are giving all our classes which are paid absolutely for free, and these classes are open to everyone. Yes, you have heard it right. All our paid classes will be available absolutely for free. And I'll tell you why this is going to happen. See, for a very specific reason, for a very special reason, we are doing this thing from 1st of July to 12th of July. And GK, mental ability, and current affairs classes will be available on YouTube. They'll be public on YouTube. Everyone can access it. And legal aptitude classes will be available on an Academy app. So that can also be accessed by anyone. So this is an announcement about tomorrow's class, that is a class on non-constitutional bodies and local self-governments. This particular class will be taken by me. My name is Trinath Reddy, and this class will be held on 1st of July 2021, that is tomorrow, Thursday, on an Academy app. If you are a new user, you can unlock this particular class or any other class by using my code Trinath10, THRINATH10, and this class goes live tomorrow at 2 p.m. and the link to this particular class will be dropped down in the first comment. Just go to that particular link and click on notify me here so that you'll get a notification when I start the class tomorrow at 2 p.m. And these are the features of Unacademy CLAT. You can access live and recorded classes anytime and anywhere. And you have the opportunity to learn from best educators and NLU alumni. You also have access to national level mock test and sectional test, unlimited quizzes. You can also launch a quiz. And we have very important weekly events like Know Your Exam Topper Strategies, NLU experiences by faculty members. See, Throwback CLAT is a very important batch discussing previous year question papers and practice questions for CLAT 2021. Batch is starting on 30th of June and the language of this particular course is Hindi and English, and our educators are Divya Kumar Garg, Samir Khan, Anuj Agarwal, Kriti Singh and Shrishti Ghosh. Vijayi Bhava, which is a one-year program to crack CLAT 2022, is starting on 30th of June. It is a one-year batch completely in Hindi, and this is a evening batch. And as discussed in the earlier video, our educators are Jigyasa Mahendrita, Lakshya Kumar, Anuj Agarwal, Kriti Singh and Yash Sharma. And Justice 1.0, which is a beginner's batch for CLAT 2023. Batch is starting on 30th of June 2021. It is a 2-year batch and an evening batch, and the language of this particular course is Hindi and English. And our educators are for Quant, Neetu Kamal, for Logic, Shyam Saraf, Legal, Nidhi Dhruv, English, Kushal Singh, General Awareness, Harminder Singh, and for Strategy and Discussion, Harminder Singh. Rankers batch, which is a 30-day crash course for AILET 2021, starting on 2nd of July, 30-day course, and the language of this particular course is Hindi and English, and our educators are Anshman Nayak, Shyam Saraf, Abhinav Bharadwaj, Kushal Singh, and Nitin Srivatsava. And National Mock Test Series for CLAT 2021 starts on 2nd of July, 30-day batch, and it is an evening batch, and the language of this particular course is Hindi and English. For Quant, we have Kriti Singh. For Logic, we have Kriti Singh. For Legal Aptitude, we have Raghavendra Pratap Singh. For English, Ayushi Rajput. And for General Awareness, Raghavendra Pratap. And on popular demand, we have extended subscription offers. Subscription offers for CLAT offers valid till 30th of June 2021. If you purchase a 3-month subscription, you will get 1 month free. And if you purchase 12, you will get 2 months free. And if you purchase 24, you get 3 months free. And there is a price hike which is coming very soon for CLAT 2022 and CLAT 2023 aspirants. Make the most of the ongoing offers which are there right now and subscribe to Unacademy CLAT before the price hikes. And test of the week, India's largest scholarship test, that is Champion Mock Test for CLAT 2021. The first ranker of Champion Mock Test will get 75% scholarship, and second ranker to fifth ranker will be getting 50% scholarship on 6 months and greater subscription on Unacademy Plus. And you can use my code Trinath10 to unlock this particular test absolutely for free, and this particular test will be held every Sunday at 4:30 p.m. Sectional test every day at 6 p.m. 30 minutes, 30 marks, 30 questions. Monday English, Tuesday Quant, Wednesday Logic, Thursday Legal, and Friday Current Affairs and GK. And if you want to take any of Unacademy's CLAT courses, you can use my code Trinath10, THRINATH10 for additional 10% discount. And every week we have CLAT topper interviews on Unacademy CLAT YouTube channel. Make sure that you stay tuned for this. And subscribe to the YouTube channel of Unacademy CLAT. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. Comment on our videos and let us know what do you feel. Do show us some love by liking and sharing our videos. So that's all for now. See you all tomorrow at 2 p.m. on our Academy app for discussion on non-constitutional bodies and local self-governments. And do remember that from 1st to 12th, we are going to give all our classes absolutely for free to everyone. This can be accessed by anyone and everyone. So that's all for now. Bye bye.